Now, even through this grief, the Waverly community has learned to lean on each other for strength. And as our Amanda Roberts found out today, it was nice to have a reason to smile.
We're having our parade, and it's the homecoming parade. We're getting ready to have homecoming at the high school.
In Waverly, there is plenty to celebrate this football season.
Waverly is undefeated.
This is just special for our hometown. The band took in their division first place.
All of the freshmen, sophomores, juniors, seniors have a float themed about the Halloween.
Brings back memories when I was in high school.
Nostalgia brings out smiles on one street corner, the promise of candy on another.
All of the kids are excited. They got out of school at 10 o'clock today, and they were all excited to get to come to the parade.
It's going to be great. We need it. We need it right now. And we always have fun at our parades, because you can see. We've been through a lot. We've had the flood, and we're still getting over that. And then we had the explosion, and we lost a lot of people. It's been a hard 10 years. I mean, but we're strong. We stay strong. We stay together. We love each other.
My baby! Hello! Nana! Got my grandbabies in here. Hey! Where's Larry? Thank you! Today's a special day for them. You know, they're full of joy and they're happy. They're throwing candy. They're laughing. Their hearts aren't hurting today, and their families are out here celebrating with them. But, you know, tonight when they get home, the pain comes back. The reality, you know, is the sadness. And we share that with them.
The parade keeps rolling, as does the resilience of this community. Resilience that proves, even through heartbreak, there's a reason for happiness.
We needed this. We needed it, really did. It's wonderful. Our town pulls together, they do. And them kids did so good on their floats. I'm so proud of them.
Reporting in Waverly, I'm Amanda Roberts for News Channel 5.
Thanks, Amanda. In about an hour, the Waverly Central Tigers will face off against the Stewart County Rebels. Good luck to all. Hopefully it's a safe game, some good football.